Class 12, good morning. Dear student, topic definite integration. Now there are the properties of definite integration. Property number 1, integration a to b fx dx is equal to minus b to a fx dx. Dear student, if we interchange the limit of definite integration, then the sign of integration will change. So there is a minus sign. Property number 2, a to b fx dx equal to a to b f d dt. If we interchange the variable, if we change the variable x is replaced by t, then limit of integration will not change. Property number 3, a to b fx dx. Dear student, you know a is the lower limit, b is the upper limit. So there may be a number c that is less than b and greater than t. So we can break this integration into two parts, a to c fx dx plus c to b fx dx, and we can generalize it. We can also write it integration a to b fx dx equal to, suppose there are number of points, we can write a to c1 fx dx plus c1 to c2 fx dx and so on plus cn to b fx dx. So one of the integrations can be broken into number of small integrations. We can apply the limit a to c1, then c1 to c2, then c2 to c3 and so on, and finally cn to b fx dx. This way we can break limit a to b into smaller limits. Dear student, now question based on these properties. It is question number 1, exercise 19.3 from Addison. Question is, evaluate the integration 1 to 4 fx dx, where function fx equal to 4x plus 3 when x is less than equal to 2, greater than 1, and it is 3x plus 5 when x is less than equal to 4 and greater than equal to 2. See the solution. Dear student, from the third property, we can break this integration into two integrations. It is 1 to 4 fx dx. It can be written as 1 to 2 fx dx plus 2 to 4 fx dx. When the function, when the limit is 1 to 2, then the function is 4x plus 3. So it is 1 to 4, it is 4x plus 3 dx plus 2 to 4 and the function is 3x plus 5 dx. Now we will simplify it, then we will apply the limit. Now the integration of 4x plus 3, it is 4 into x square upon 2 plus 3x. Limit of integration 1 to 4 plus it is 1 to 2 plus integration of this, it is 3x square upon 2 plus 5x and limit is 2 to 4. Now 2 to the 4, 2 is constant. Now we will apply upper limit. It is 2 square minus 1 square plus 3, 2 minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Then it is 4 square minus 2 square plus 5, then 4 minus 2. Now we will simplify it. It is 2 into 2 to the 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 3 into 1 plus 3 by 2. There is 16 minus 4 which is 12 plus 5 into 2. Then 2 6 is 12. So it is 6 plus 3 plus 18 plus 10. Then it is 9 plus 28. So it is 37. So answer is 37. Now the next question is integration minus 1 to 2 mod x upon x dx. Dear student, mod x upon x is a single function and it is minus 1 to 0, then it is minus x upon x dx plus 0 to 2 x upon x dx. Dear students, there is a logic of mod x. Mod x is, it is minus x when x is less than 0 and it is plus x when x is greater than 0. So we will take minus x when it is minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 2 it is x. So here it is minus 1 integration minus 1 to 0 dx plus 0 to 2 dx. Now integration of dx is x, limit minus 1 to 0 plus here integration x, limit 0 to 2. Then it is minus 1, 0 minus minus 1. Then it is plus 1 plus 2 minus 0. It is minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So its integration is 1. Dear student, next question is integration minus 4 to 4 mod x plus 2 dx. Dear student, there is a logic of mod x minus x. It is x minus a when x is greater than a, or it is a minus x when x is less than a. Therefore, we will write minus 4 to 4 mod x minus minus 2. Then dx. Here a is minus 2. Therefore, we will break into the integration minus 4 to minus 2. then mod it will be here x is greater than minus 2. So we will write minus 2 to minus x dx plus minus 2 to 4 and x minus 2 minus minus plus dx. Now here it is minus 2x minus x square upon 2 plus x square upon 2 plus 2x, then limit is minus 2 to 4. Dear student, now it is minus 2, then minus 2, 2 minus 4, so it becomes plus 4, minus 4 and then minus 9, plus minus 1 by 2, then minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 square is 16, plus 1 by 2, 4 square is 16 minus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 4 minus 2. So it is plus 2. Then it is minus 2 into 2, 1 by 2 into minus 12 plus 1 by 2 into plus 12 plus 2 into 6. 2 6 ja, 2 6 ja. Minus 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 12 is 18 plus 6 24. Then it is minus 4 is 20. So value of this integration